you sharing that story because it brought back a very good memory of what inspired me as well.
You know, part of, I think I want to build on what you guys said. It's interesting. There was a time that the drug development involved small molecule drugs. Right. So you, as an analytical chemist, you went into an analytical lab and you developed the assay, you run the samples, submit it, and moved on and grow within your career. Today, if you look at the type of drugs we're working with, right, ADCs, monoclonal antibodies, and the list goes on, you really have people from different backgrounds come together, as you said, multidisciplinary, that they come to push the drug forward. And during this process, doesn't matter if you're a biologist, biochemist, a chemist, immunologist, it all comes together. Now, at some point, you get exposed to bioanalytical work. At some point, you will end up either needing somebody to develop an assay for you, or you end up developing the assay yourself. And at least for me, that's how I started. That's where, you know, I was going to solve a project. I had to develop an assay. And guess what? At some point, I had to end up validating it. So what do I have to do? I have to go look at the guidance and the guidelines and what is going on. So for us, I think a lot of, you know, again, a while back, somebody would make a conscious decision to go become an analytical chemist. Today, people get exposed to it. Now, some people like it, and they move toward that. And some people, they said, that's not for me, and they continue moving to other discipline. In terms of mentoring, you know, I find two kind of folks in our company. People that they come and they really want to look for a mentor, and there are some that that they're not as proactive, right? So I think as a management, we have to identify who really wants to move to the next level, and really provide the opportunities for those individuals, and you know, to move to the next level and train them.
Right. So Zana started off discussing this concept of being data generators.